Joining us now, food blogger Suzanne Clark, big friend of the show, to teach us the best ingredients to put in your dip. Where do we start?
Well, we're going to start with avocados. How
That's
about
a
that?
great place to start.
Yep. So I have a bowl right here, and I have mashed 4 medium-sized avocados, just about that size.
Okay.
And you know, if you're having a hard time getting your avocados to ripen, put them in a brown paper bag.
I heard that trick.
With a banana, because
With the banana?
Yeah, the banana, the enzymes in the banana can help ripen your fruit.
Oh my gosh.
Just a little
Good
tip
to know.
there for
Okay,
you.
so what are we putting in?
Okay, so first of all, we have our avocado. Now let's kind of build some flavor.
Okay.
Next, I'm going to add some red onion.
Love
Okay,
it.
I'm just
Good
going to put in there.
crunch.
And you want to make sure you finely dice it. You don't want a big piece of onion.
Right.
Then I love to put tomatoes in it. It just adds such a nice freshness to it. So I'm going to add about 1/3 of a cup of tomatoes. And I like to use the cherry tomatoes. I think they have more flavor to them.
I
A
do
little
too.
sweetness to them.
Yeah. And it
Easier to
tastes like a
dice as
real
well,
tomato.
right?
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay.
You know, just kind of, and you want to get again a smaller dice.
Do you say tomatoes or tomatoes? Just ignore me.
Let's
Just
call this
ignore
all
me.
Sometimes I say tomatoes. It depends what I'm making, but today I'm going to say tomatoes. So then I'm going to add some fresh cilantro. I love the fresh cilantro in here.
That's important there.
Okay. And you know, some people don't put that in there, but I love it.
Yes.
Now I have an unusual ingredient. Kind of unusual. I'm going to use pickled jalapenos. Now most people use a fresh one, but you know, I have a friend that was born and raised in Mexico, and her mama did it this way.
My
so
mouth is watering so much. I can
I'm not going to
barely
argue with
listen to
Mama.
you.
I always do what Mama
I'm going to be over
say.
here to stop off
that
camera if that's
smells
cool with you.
So
good.
we're just going to kind of mix this up, and then we also want to add some lime juice.
Okay. How much?
And fresh lime juice, about 2 tablespoons.
Okay.
Okay. And we're just going to stir this in here.
And then do you like to add salt or no?
I definitely add salt.
Definitely.
How
much of that?
About a teaspoon, but you know
Okay.
what? It does really vary. I think it depends on how ripe the
taste.
avocados. Do it to taste, you know, but as a guideline, you're going to roughly go in with at least a teaspoon of salt.
Okay.
Okay? And now, if you want to serve it up, I have a couple fun ideas here. You know, they have these little dipper
Yes.
cups right now.
That's
So
kinda
if you
cute.
pre-plate this and have them all, you know, the guacamole sitting in those little chip cups, people love that. And now,
But then how am I going to double dip?
well, you can't
That's
double
good.
dip. See, we put the double in there for you.
All right, fair enough.
But now I'm going to cheat a little bit. I'm
Yeah.
going to add bacon, because everybody
Bacon
loves
makes
bacon.
everything better.
Oh, yeah.
So I'm just going to add a little bacon to these cups, just to make it
I
kind of
put
like a
some
little.
bacon on my possum the other day, and it tasted delicious.
I'm sorry?
Where
On
can
your
people?
possum?
I'm
Suzanne,
just saying,
where can people
bacon's
find
good on
more
anything.
info from you? Because I know you guys have a blog. We gotta
Yes,
wrap
I
things up.
have it on my website.
Okay.
It's Living a Creative Life with Suzanne Clark.
Perfect. All right. Juicy
I'm going to dive into this stuff in just a
Yes.
minute. If you want to buy